If you could wish for anything and know that it would come true, what would you wish for?
It's our time with Mr. Mayberry. Hey, let's get creative.
Happy St. Patrick's Day and welcome to Art Time with Mr. Mayberry. Legend says that if you catch a leprechaun, he'll grant you 3 wishes. Today we're going to use your imagination and draw a picture of what you would wish for if you were granted a wish. Before we start though, let's do our paper exercise. Take your piece of paper and hold it up like this, and we'll say together horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Okay, let's say it together. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Today you can choose which direction you draw when you draw your picture. Now you know what to do, and that's a start. Let's take a little time and make a little art.
Goodbye, Mr. Mayberry.
I think I'd wish for a peanut butter sandwich. All right!